Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If you've been dreaming about learning the piano or improving your skills without breaking the bank, the Alesis 88-key keyboard piano is the perfect way to get started. And if you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Let's talk about what makes this keyboard such an incredible choice for beginners and even casual players. The Alesis 88-key keyboard delivers a full range of expression with 88 full-size, touch-sensitive, piano-style keys. It feels natural under your fingers, mimicking the response of an acoustic piano, which helps you build proper finger strength and control as you play. The built-in speakers deliver rich, immersive sound, so every note you play comes through clearly, whether you're practicing classical pieces, pop songs, or experimenting with your own compositions. And thanks to its lightweight and portable design, you can set it up anywhere, your living room, a dorm, or even take it on the go. Now here's where it really stands out. You get a massive sound library with 480 high-quality tones, ranging from pianos and strings to synths and percussion. It also includes 160 rhythms and 140 demo songs, giving you endless ways to explore music in every genre imaginable. For students, the Alesis Recital Play includes split, lesson, and record modes, which means you can play duets with your teacher, record your progress, or practice one hand at a time. Add to that a built-in metronome and transpose features, and you've got all the tools you need to master timing and technique. Connectivity is another major plus. The keyboard features USB-MIDI support, so you can connect it to your computer and use recording or piano learning software like Scuv and Melodics, which are included to help you learn faster and have more fun doing it. You also get a full accessory bundle, a sustain pedal, adjustable stand, headphones, carry bag, and power supply, everything you need right out of the box. And when you're ready to take your music anywhere, it can run on 6AA batteries, so you can play and practice even when you're away from a power source. Overall, the Alesis 88-key keyboard piano is an all-in-one solution that delivers incredible value for beginners, travelers, and anyone wanting to experience the joy of playing music. It's feature-packed, beginner-friendly, and ready to grow with you as your skills improve. Check it out for yourself through the link below.